Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a 360-degree walk round and interior video of this absolutely stunning approved used Audi A3 Sportback Technik with the 35 TFSI 150 PS engine and 6-speed manual gearbox. If you buy this approved used Audi before the 31st of December 2022, it will come with 2 years warranty, 2 years MOT cover and 2 years roadside assistance. And if you're interested in this beautiful car, please contact us on 01772 911 340. This A3 has LED headlights for high quality illumination of the road ahead in all sorts of road conditions. We also have the honeycomb radiator grille, which makes it a really stylish look to the front end. And moving on, we have the gorgeous 16-inch 5 double-arm design alloy wheels, which look really smart and sporty. And the door mirrors on this A3 are folding, heated and electrically adjustable for your convenience. The black window trim also further refines the look of this exterior. And moving into the rear interior of the car, you can see the rear seats, which are finished in the gorgeous black index cloth, which look really smart, and they're also really comfortable and supportive too, perfect for every journey you take. And there's ISOFIX mounting points to safely secure child seats too. Moving round to the back of this A3, the sleek and sporty looks continue with the rear roof spoiler, as well as the rear diffuser finished in grained matte black. And moving on to the boot of the car, as you'll see in a second, it's relatively large and spacious with 380 litres of capacity, which is plenty of space for your shopping, any suitcases, or perhaps even golf clubs as well. And for even more space if you need, the rear bench splits and folds down too. This A3 has had just one previous owner, and personally I think it looks absolutely superb in the metallic glacier white paint finish, as it contrasts really nicely against the black window trim. And now moving into the front interior of the car, you'll be able to see the dashboard, which is finished with silk effect paint platinum grey inlays, which look absolutely superb alongside the piano black accents and the aluminium trim, which all come together to really refine the look of this interior. And here we have the front seats finished in the same stylish black index cloth as the rear, which again, not only just look great, but they're comfortable and supportive as well, with those side bolsters really keeping you in place. That concludes this 360-degree walk round section of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A3 Sportback Technik, finished in metallic glacier white. I'm now going to go into more detail on the impressive technology and controls on offer within this car. Here we have the controls for the folding, heated and electrically adjustable door mirrors. And moving on, we have the controls for the LED headlights as well. This is the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel finished in black leather, and these buttons on the left and right mean you can easily take a phone call without having to take your hands off of the wheel. Here we have the cruise control, which helps make those longer motorway journeys that bit easier. And this is the Audi virtual cockpit display, where you can choose the display of your preference using the buttons shown before, perfect for finding journey information whilst you're on the go. To the left, we have the 10.1-inch Full HD touchscreen display, where you can access satellite navigation to help guide you to your destination, DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations in high quality, external media connectivity, so you can play your favourite content from your phone, for example, telephone connectivity, so you can easily take calls on the go, just like I mentioned before, and we have the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to make the most of apps optimised for use in the car. Just below that, we have the controls for the air conditioning, which are easy to use and allow you to find the perfect temperature in the car. Moving down yet again, we have a couple of USB Type-C ports for extra connectivity, the slick 6-speed manual gear shifter, a couple of cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there is plenty of storage as well. Other key features of this A3 include the rear parking sensors, which help to make parking an absolute breeze, as well as Audi Presense front and lane departure warning for extra safety and peace of mind on every single journey that you take. That concludes this 360-degree walk round and interior video of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A3 Sportback Technik, finished in metallic glacier white. If you would like to book a viewing, a test drive or arrange for a personalised finance quote, please give Preston Audi a call on 01772 911 340. Thank you for watching this video.